guys, let's do a quick recap for the 2 days we had. Let's start with the SPY. It finished last week below the 446. This is why I knew that the SPY will try to make attempt to break the 447, 448. If it fails, it will move down and touch the 444, which it did, and make another attempt and failed, and touch it again, broke it but closed above it. So now for the SPY, I can say that if we look at it, we see it above the 200, probably will try to touch it, even broke it and move down to the 440.85 for its next strong support level, and from there probably will bounce back up. Of course, not in a straight line, probably something like this and so on. I still think the SPY is on a bullish trend, but if it closes below the 440.85, then it will try to reach, and even with a big momentum to the downside, with a big sell-off to the key level of 435.80, which is a big key level for the downside. If it break it and close below, it will fall probably to the 415 or even 20. I didn't draw it, only draw the key level for the downside. But so far I think buyers are coming with this key level and will try to push higher, maybe give some indication for short to enter all the short people, then move them out with a short squeeze. Let's hope so. This is for the SPY. The QQQ is the main reason why I think that the SPY will move up. You see the QQQ once, twice, three times, touching exactly, almost exactly the 374.25. If we see the exact point, you see the low here, 374.28, 22, and another 28. So exactly find a good support with a strong support here, which make good for confirmation for the upside. So a lot of buyer coming here in this area. Let's hope they will push the stock higher, the market higher, also followed by the SPY. But another scenario which can be, if it break below and close below, it will push to the projection of the 200, probably around this key level. So it will do a push down for its next support, move up, and then will move and break to its next key level, which is 388.50. So let's hope it will just move up from there and not doing big move down and move up. But either way, if you see it close below the 374.25, just go short, wait for it the support, and going long in the market. Next, Tesla. Yeah, a lot of people following it. Was great prediction here. I didn't manage to capitalize all the gains I could, but I shorted here, failed to enter at the right moment with the 720 bounce up again to the 740, but it was a good trading day, probably for a lot of people. You see the reaction, the good reaction here, and probably we will see another attempt to move higher. If it break below the 743.80 or even the 740, we will see another attempt to go down to the 720 and then bring the buyers up. But at the moment, Tesla is on a big bullish. Remember, the 17 is an option expiration date, so get ready to see what will happen. mRNA, I take a couple of trades there. With mRNA we see almost the same flash down, find good support at the 419, moved up, resistance 443. I managed to short it around those area, and take it along around this support area. Still on a bullish trend, can go and do another attempt, but I think it will try to bring the buyers here, give them confirmation that 419 is a good support, and then move up. If they give them confirmation, or more sellers will enter the market and close below the 419, then we will see a fall to the 406, and from there another fall to the 381. A key level 361, but I think mRNA will do something like this, hopefully. Let's go Sava, because I was talking about Sava. I didn't trade Sava, but as you can see, broke the 4610, just break down to the 4150. I think it was my target. I didn't trade it, but people who follow me could take a nice position here and enjoy the ride to the downside. BBIG, didn't took a trade, but follow it, break the 1028, move down to the 9 next level, and from 9 move again to the 833. So again, if you follow me and see the rejection line, now it's below, so next target is the 650. So get ready for something like this, hopefully, and then you can short it if you see big rejection from the 9 resistance. So hopefully you like it. So my predictions are still bullish for the market and the QQQs. I will try to find good entry points close or near the support or resistance I draw for myself. Those lines are basically just for swing trade. So for a day trader, I have couple more trades, couple more support and resistance, which are more accurate for myself and for my trading style. So trade carefully, do your own prediction, and take advisor from people who understand the market. So hope you will have a good trading day and for the following week, and good luck, guys.